Hey, Mr. George.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon for week 3. We're open and we're here to do dumb stuff. Hey, I tricked Jeremy into coming to Azusa. Hey, he said he was never gonna come here, and look at him, he's here. All right, let's talk business. There's no business. We got to do shenanigans today. So we're here to just do Azusa things. Main thing for me today, we're gonna be getting started with a little bit of Rubicon Fordyce prep. So this is the first weekend kind of testing out some stuff. I made some upgrades to our Nissan Bruceberry. So we put some 63-inch leaf springs in there. So we're gonna have to test out, make sure it's all holding up and ain't gonna fall apart. So I want to bring it out, flex it out on the obstacle course. We're gonna go play around on some of the obstacles. And then of course we'll get into the mud today and we'll do all that fun stuff. But this guy's here. Yeah, it matches up. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna go do that, and then do that, and then do that, and then we'll see if we're playing, is it gonna fall apart? That's what we're playing today. Should be fun.
Take it down to about right here.
I'm gonna go forward, right? That good right there?
Very slow. Yeah, you're good. Just metal grinding.
And then
Somewhere to hit.
your brake line it has slack in it.
Yeah, it's good.
Not too bad.
So I think that's okay.
It shouldn't fall out, so that's awesome.
Had you left it tight on there, it would have been stressed right now. Yeah.
Yep. This is all for the sake of testing. I didn't get stuck because I suck.
So,
It was on purposes. That's a familiar position.
He can squeeze past me. Fuck yeah, get stuck. Woo!
Hey, should I just camp out here?
Got you, Jer. Got you, Jer. So some solid testing at the obstacle course. Let's continue. We saw some freaking Cybertrucks coming in, so we're gonna go get some videos of them. Well, all right. I guess it's our turn. Got another Tesla truck and then another Tesla truck. Sir, we're surrounded by the future.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Did I have told you that I identify as electric today?
Yeah, oh yeah. Well, I mean, I can't hear it, so it's definitely
I'm just
electric.
saying.
Yeah, I can't hear a thing, so it sounds electric to me.
It's on quiet mode right now.
Yeah, quiet mode, yeah. Yeah, buddy. diesel. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, fuck that door. Blow the cabeza or what? He says it's not hot. He said it's not hot.
Okay.
That'll crack the block real quick.
We got One Eye Willie here. Looking for a baby Ruth.
Atta boy. Atta boy. Give her hell! Give her hell! Fuck yeah! Come on, come on, yeah! Hell yeah, brother. Dude, you're perfect size for that. For some reason, I'm like really tired today. So you guys get a lazy outro, less than enthusiastic outro. All right, back in the staging area. We're wrapping up. Great day in Azusa. Hey, it always is a good day in Azusa. If you guys want to come out, make sure to check out, we have a Back to Basics video where we cover all things you need to know about coming to Azusa Canyon, whether it's making reservations, the rules and etiquette of the park, or just giving you some ideas of how to come out here and have a good time. Make sure to check out that video. If you want to get reservations, you can get recreation.gov. We will have that link down below. It was cool getting Bruceberry out. We got to test it out a little bit. We're doing some hard lines this weekend, so we're going to be taking this truck. So this was kind of like a little test for that, just to make sure my fixes or upgrades didn't totally break. So maybe they'll break in that video. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good time. But hey, that's going to be it for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make subscribe channels, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon, activities, and all those goodies. Dirtnation Offroad, BigCartel.com. Until next time, thank you guys. Let's get it.